Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your file management skills? The reality is that doing all of this manually can be absolutely, well, challenging from a time standpoint, from a technical standpoint, and a lot of times we wind up hoarding data when we don't really intend to. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you something that I like to use in order to keep my Mac running efficiently. I have a number of different strategies that I use. I'll do things like expand out my storage to external hubs, but that's really just delaying the problem for another day. And sometimes what I'll like to do is install larger and larger hard drives on the computer. Well, in a lot of cases with a Mac, that's not possible. What you buy as your initial hard drive is part of the system board, and what you buy is what you get. So what can we do to optimize what we have, make sure that we're efficient with any expansion that we do, and make sure that we're not accidentally hoarding data on our Mac? Well, in my case, I'm using something called CleanMyMac, and they've just come out with an update that I wanted to share with you because it's pretty cool and it really allows me to drill down into the things that are taking up a lot of space on my computer. So let's take a quick look at how CleanMyMac works, and they've been kind enough to sponsor this video, so I'll put a link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. I do highly recommend them though, and I have been using them for many years, even long before I had a YouTube channel. So the fact that they're sponsoring the video is nice, but the real thing is that it's a tool that I do use and I think is very useful. So let's have a look at the latest version and how it can work for us to make sure we're not hoarding a bunch of data. So CleanMyMac is a utility that helps optimize and maintain my Mac. I can clean it, I can put protection on my Mac, I can optimize performance, I can do things like look for applications I'm not using or haven't used for a while. I can clear out clutter on any of my directories or drives, and I can even go through and use a feature called Space Lens, which is really cool. It allows me to go in and create a visual map of my storage, and then I can navigate through that visual map and I can actually see the relative size of different directories, folders, and files that I have on my Mac. So if I navigate through and let's say I look at my users folder here, I can scroll in further. I can see that my account is using the most space, obviously. I can see that within my account, I can look at, say, for example, the library. Underneath the library, I can see that the largest folder here in terms of space utilization is the application support. Underneath here, you can see I've got Google and Steam. And let's take a look at, for example, my Steam folder. And you can see that I've got underneath here something called Steam Apps. My common Steam Apps is taking 8 gigs of space. I'm navigating through and I'm seeing the relative size. And there you can see I have a video game called Stray, which is taking up 8.4 gigs of space on my drive. Using the assistant feature to automate a lot of my cleaning tasks just saves me a lot of time, and really it does things that I probably wouldn't catch on my own. So I can do things like analyze my storage, I can look for any potential threats that might be on my Mac. A big thing that I'll use it for is to clean up or to scan my Mac for things like duplicate files or large files that have been around for a long time. Maybe it's time to either delete them or move them to cloud storage, whatever the case might be. Maybe there's web files. So maybe Chrome has a number of downloads. I want to make sure that I clean those up as well. And one of the things that I'll do often is go into my assistant, I'll have a look at the health of my Mac, and then I'll look for large files and either remove them, or I'll go through and look at the date. I can look at the file path where they're located. So sometimes I might decide to move some of these things to different locations, like up into a cloud storage or external hard drive. Or if I know that I don't need these files anymore, I can just select them and save huge amounts of space, often gigabytes and gigabytes of space. I especially like looking for duplicate files. I have a habit, not a great habit, but I have a habit of accidentally downloading the same file more than once. So for example, I have this Python interpreter that I downloaded, an IDE. I don't need 2 copies of it, and I just saved a gig of space on my hard drive. So it's a really great way to locate these files and then deal with them in a proper manner. CleanMyMac is just one of those utilities that I've used for many years in order to keep my hard drives efficient, my Macs running well, looking for duplicate files, all those things that we should be doing and that are difficult to do manually. And the new version, especially the space lens where I can see the relative size of the directories, I really like that. It's a really clean, easy to use interface, something that I recommend you check out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.